knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Lady T. Guess what you guys, we are quickly approaching 2,000 subscribers and I thank you for each and every one, and I know with your help we will get there. Today is my little niece's baby shower. We're having a new little member, a little boy. Let's go, y'all.
I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lot of
baby mama.
Baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here.
Hi. Hey, Papa. You having a big little brother? Okay.
I'm the big brother and I'm having the big
Yep. You gonna teach him all the right things to do. I know. I already know. Right there.
Don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Is love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. And leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. So mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind.
Making all that noise.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet.
Look. Blow it. Blow it.
I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.
I think that might be from her. Is that the gift you got her? Junior? Junior, you brought that gift? Thank you, whoever brought this beautiful gift. We haven't seen yet, but I know it's lovely. Oh, is that the diapers that we was looking for? Who stole my gift and put it with something else? Who did it?
All right, time out. Camera's down.
We all think Vicky don't be playing. Vicky, I was gonna say Vicky don't be playing. I knew that. See? That's my girl. Vicky don't play that. I knew she got that outfit. Yeah. Vicky. I'm gonna hold you back, Vicky. I'm gonna hold you back. Hold on. I'm gonna hold you back. I'm gonna hold you back. She know what her baby needs. She know what her baby needs.
Oh, you did? So come give me love. I know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I told you had to wait for my kid. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love.
Are those bids? Yeah.
Talking like these babies need them.
Yeah.
I mean, your best friend, your best friend is to make a talk shit all day long about your baby, and she knows that's what you're talking shit.
Hey, Sophie.
So, I probably don't have to buy anything right now.
Yeah, some outfits like that.
I got kids that get some shit in their pants.
Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. So you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying
You want to wait one for Cheetos? Can you do that one now? Go here, do this one. Your mom? Your mom. Oh, okay. You birthed her.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, nice girl.
Wind them up.
That thing just go back and forth or something.
Oh man, I wanted the one that Jasmine here. I was like, I was like, oh, where'd you get that from? She's like, my friend gave it to me. Oh, you lucky. Hi, baby.
I might want to have it right there.
And it's all sensitive. Yeah, like we was talking about. So they should be good. Like he should be good. Yep. Should be great on his stomach. Oh, y'all want to see? Oh, T on point right now, huh?
Thumbs look comfortable.
She put on my hangers for me, so it's just so cute.
Yes.
And look at all my milk.
Girl, yes. I love the little crate.
I love that idea.
Okay, diapers.
You gotta go.
I got a gift I'm going to give.
Oh my God!
That is the whole set. The stroller, and the car seat. It all matches.
You're gonna cry, aren't you?
I'm gonna cry.
I see tears.
Bitch. It follows and eyelash.
Well, we can't.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn.
Yes, you got some diapers. Yes, sir. And so, did you get white? What you get? No.
The best in that tax play. You know, I had that all in one. And it's easy to travel that one.
Yeah.
She got it.
Big sister know what's up.
I thought I was going to get that. She's like, oh,
You know how that baby wrong with me. She know how that baby wrong with him. He gonna be a good now, baby. You gonna have him.
You say you down for sure.
That's just
It's double wrapped. That's nice.
Don't you cry. I see ya. Yes, you look at her. Crystal. Best boy baby shower ever.
Thank y'all. Everybody, I appreciate it.
You're welcome, baby.
Tomato. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for coming out and making this special for me. It's special because I didn't think I was going to do it again. I'm damn near 40 years old. We done
You ain't
that,
though.
no more.
No more, Vicky.
God, keep living. And seeing everybody here know I got enough support behind me.
We love you too. Yeah. Best boy baby shower. We missed a little get on the little game, but we did that.
Okay, y'all can start the music back on.
Just so mad, but now it's at my own expense.